If you haven't tasted fresh, homegrown lettuce, you're definitely missing out. Today, I want to show you how I grow my lettuce and give you some tips on growing. Let's start with the soil. The soil should be rich in organic matter, with a good balance of nutrients and moisture retention capacity. For this tutorial, I choose seeds of Romain, Butterhead, and oak leaf lettuce. For sowing, I used vegetable soil. Sow the seeds at a depth of about 0.3 to 1 centimeter and cover them lightly with soil or vermiculite. Avoid burying the seeds too deeply, as this can prevent them from germinating. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged, as this can cause the seeds to rot or germinate poorly. Lettuce needs plenty of light to grow and thrive, but too much direct sunlight can cause the leaves to wilt, yellow, or develop a bitter taste. As a general rule, lettuce needs at least 6 hours of direct or indirect sunlight per day to grow well. Let us now see how my lettuce grows in time lapse. The seed trays are now getting too small, as you can see from the root growth. To further encourage the growth of the lettuce, I planted the plants in larger pots. When growing outdoors, space the plants at least 10 to 15 centimeters apart to allow room for growth and airflow. Now that we have larger pots, let's see how the lettuce continues to grow in time lapse. The time to harvest lettuce depends on the variety you are growing, but most lettuce plants can be harvested when they reach maturity, which is typically around 50 to 70 days after planting. Some varieties of lettuce, such as loose leaf and butterhead, can be harvested earlier, while others, such as romaine and iceberg, take longer to mature. It's important to harvest lettuce in the morning when the leaves are the freshest and have the highest moisture content. Thanks everyone for watching. If you want to see more tutorials, feel free to subscribe or ask questions.